Making your home combat ready for SHTF funds. Times of crisis or societal collapse, ensuring the security and defense of your home becomes paramount for protecting yourself, your loved ones, and your property. Creating a combat-ready home involves strategic planning, fortification, and preparation to withstand threats and deter potential adversaries during SHTF shit-hits-the-fan scenarios. In this guide, we provide a comprehensive overview of steps to make your home combat-ready for SHTF, covering key areas such as perimeter defense, fortification, security systems, and strategic planning. Assess vulnerabilities, conduct a security audit, evaluate the vulnerabilities and weaknesses of your home, property, and surrounding environment to identify potential entry points, blind spots, and security risks. Identify threats. Assess potential threats and adversaries that may pose a risk to your safety and security during SHTF scenarios, including looters, intruders, armed gangs, or desperate individuals seeking resources. Perimeter defense. Reinforce physical barriers. Strengthen perimeter defenses by installing sturdy fencing, gates, barriers, or bollards to deter unauthorized access and control entry points into your property. Secure entry points. Fortify doors, windows, and access points with reinforced locks, deadbolts, security bars, and shatterproof glass to resist forced entry attempts and intrusion. Fortification and reinforcement. Harden structures. Reinforce structural integrity by retrofitting walls, doors, and windows with ballistic-resistant materials. Steel reinforcements, bulletproof panels, or sandbags to withstand ballistic threats. Create defensive positions. Designate fortified positions or safe rooms within your home equipped with cover, concealment, and defensive barriers to provide protection and shelter during hostile encounters. Security systems. Install surveillance cameras. Deploy surveillance cameras, motion sensors, and security cameras strategically around your property to monitor and surveil potential threats, intrusions, or suspicious activities. Alarms and alert systems. Install audible alarms, sirens, or alert systems to notify occupants of unauthorized entry, breaches, or security breaches, providing early warning and deterrence against intruders. Armament and defense. Stockpile defensive weapons. Acquire and stockpile defensive weapons such as firearms, ammunition, non-lethal weapons, pepper spray, or tasers for self-defense and protection against armed adversaries. Training and proficiency. Obtain proper training, certification, and proficiency in firearm handling, marksmanship, and self-defense tactics to effectively utilize defensive weapons and respond to threats. Strategic planning and preparedness. Develop contingency plans. Create comprehensive contingency plans, evacuation routes, and emergency protocols for responding to various scenarios, including home invasions, intrusions, or hostile encounters. Conduct drills and exercises. Practice emergency drills, security exercises, and scenario-based simulations with family members or household occupants to rehearse response procedures and improve readiness. Community collaboration. Form neighborhood watch groups. Collaborate with neighbors, community members, or local authorities to establish neighborhood watch groups, mutual aid networks, or emergency response teams to enhance collective security and resilience. Share resources and intelligence. Share information, resources, and intelligence within your community to address common challenges, mitigate risks, and support each other during times of crisis.
Well, I hope you liked the video. Please share your thoughts with me. You know I always want to hear from you, and I will always try to answer back. This video has been chosen specifically for you based on your viewer history. YouTube says this is the one that you would most be interested in watching, so if you do me a favor, go ahead and click on it and watch it. Thanks very much.